We've successfully bridged 3DGS to physical printing. This was honestly a massive challenge for us, since 3DGS is essentially a cloud of probabilistic Gaussians. But 3D printers require solid, watertight physical geometry. There's a huge gap between the digital and the physical. The best part? No manual texture cleaning required. Traditional 3D gen usually needs tons of manual cleanup, and it's hard to keep it identical to the original image. But Mugen3D's logic is, pixels are loyalty. What you see in the photo is what you get in the print, unlike others that only optimize for specific figurines. Our workflow turns any image into a physical reality. Of course, we're not at the finish line yet. Everyone, take a look at this model. The surface isn't quite pro-grade smooth yet. This is the next objective we need to conquer. Keeping the workflow, just boosting the precision. After the next training run, we'll hit a whole new level. I'll print something even more mind-blowing to show you. From pixels to atoms. This final centimeter of distance. We will be able to get past this very soon. Stay tuned.